Hi guys, this is Josh here, and for today's video I'm going to show you on how to connect your T500 or your Iwo 13 smartwatch to your iPhone and also to your Android smartphone. Let's go. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel again. This is Josh here, and for today I'm going to show you on how to connect your T500 smartwatch to your iPhone and to your Android. So let's start with the iPhone first. So all you have to do is go to your smartwatch, and as you can see there is an App Store look-alike icon there, but it's not really. It's only a QR code. So let's go to our iPhone and let's scan it directly. And it will take us to watch.qqacer.com, and let's click it, and you're going to tap iOS download. It will bring us to iWatch application, and let's just download it. And guys, so if your phone is Android, so it will be on the next video, and you can just click the timestamp for you to go there directly. And let's open our iWatch, and let's just turn on all categories and click allow, and everything will be allowed. Okay, so now let's go to our smartwatch and let's tap this green icon, this Bluetooth icon, and let's connect our iPhone. Alright guys, so as you can see here in our application, so there is T500, so let's tap it. Good. And it said it's already connected, so let's check if it is connected, guys. So allow T500 to display your iPhone notifications, so just click allow, and let's see. Okay, so it means that our watch is already connected. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna show you the home screen. It's a little bit different with our previous smartwatch like the Fit Pro and the Fundo, because in here it's just simple. So we have here the measure, and in this part here, and then we also have here the motion and the settings here. So it's just simple, guys. So that's it. Alright guys, so in this time I'm gonna show you on how to connect your T500 to your Android. So guys, let's go to Play Store and let's look for iWatch. Okay, let's search for the iWatch, and then it will take us to this iWatch download, and let's download it, guys. Let's just wait for a couple of minutes. Alright guys, so it said installing. So let's open it, guys. And then this is the home screen, so it's almost the same with our iPhone application. And just click allow everything, guys. And enable notification, so just click on allow as well, and here tap on iWatch and make sure that it is enabled. Okay, so now this time, guys, so let's turn on our Bluetooth. Okay, so I think it's already turned on, and then let's go to this setting part and let's try to search. Okay, so we have here the T500, and let's connect it. So to pair with T500, make sure this passkey matches the number on that device. So that's 008384. So let's add pair. And then would you like to access? Okay. So it's already connected, guys. So for you to make sure that the device is already connected, so let's click find device, and voila, it's already connected. And guys, so with the application, it's almost the same with our iPhone application. So Okay, there are no differences. Okay, so guys, if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you like this video, guys, kindly click the thumbs up and also consider subscribing. Once again, this is Josh, and I will see you soon.